back in 2014, it all kind of came together. I was growing my beard out a little bit longer and it was actually itching. It was starting to make my face dry. And I was like, what do you do about this? And I started researching a little bit. There was nothing really in America that was going on yet. And so in England, actually, these guys were creating beard oils and they were moisturizing their face. Those guys were on top of it before everybody else. So I bought a lot of their products, got them in overseas, and started testing them on myself. And noticed they're all kind of using very similar ingredients. And it was a pretty simple, process. So I was like, hey, might as well, let's buy these ingredients, see if I can, make this stuff in my kitchen. And I started making it in my kitchen, putting it on my face, figuring out what products were actually working, what products weren't working. So that's how I started the first beard oil for Bossman brands. As far as a brand, I always wanted to make products just a little bit more eccentric. Otherwise, it's boring. I wanted to take beard oil to another level, so I created beard jelly. Beard oil I had a really, really, really thick beard. If you look at my back pictures, my beard is huge and it just sucked regular beard oil up in 2 seconds. So I decided, I was like, hey, how can we make beard oil last a lot longer, stay on your skin better, and actually stick to the hair and moisturize a lot longer as well. So I added a little bit of, shea butters, a little bit of beeswax, just hints of it to make the viscosity just a little bit thicker so it would trap on your face, hold that moisture into your pores, and actually trap onto that hair so it lasts longer as well. Before Bossman started, I was heavy into the beard competitions. In these beard competitions, it's a brotherhood on its own. These guys are always talking about their beards, how to maintain their beards, how to style their beards, and all that good stuff. So throughout that, when I was handing out samples and showing these guys my brand, we started communicating. We started communicating online via Facebook. So I decided, hey, let's create a Bossman Brotherhood group and let these guys communicate on the actual Facebook page. So since the beginning, these guys have just kept joining since they've been buying products, and I think we've got up to over 4,000 members now, and it just keeps growing like wildfire. I want to go beyond the beard. I want to create things like shaving products, hair care, skin care, with the best ingredients possible at an affordable price, so everyone can be a boss.